Today is April 7th, 2020, unboxing the Ion Boombox Deluxe thingamabob. Here, let me put this camera down a bit. The other camera over there is, anyway, you know what that is, right? So here it is, there's that. I can see myself in that one there. I don't know what I can see in this one. I got a cassette in my hand here. I got the box. So this is, it doesn't shake, it doesn't move, but let's see here. I really need to put this down on the ground so I can see it on the ground. Is that on the ground? Pretty close. All right. Okay, so here we go. So, let's see. All right, so now I'll just, all right, so, open that up, open that up. All right, so that. Okay. There it is. So we got some of these things, all right? Okay, and that's what I figured. Okay. There it is. It's a Ion Boombox Deluxe. Looks like that on the front. This on this side. Let's see, how do I do this? Let's do it on this camera first. That's what it looks like there, okay? And then that end, and then that end, and then that end, here. I got this, put it that way. There's the top of it. What's on the bottom? Well, same thing on the bottom. Okay. So it looks like this. Of course, wait, it looks like a boombox in the viewfinder. Okay, I'm just having too much fun here. Let me show this to the other people over here. So here's this one. It looks like that. I don't even know how far I'm standing. If I hold it a couple more back. Okay. Get up close. So there it is there. On this side and there. And there. Right? And there. And then one back there, and then you can read that, right? And here's this on this side. Okay. So now that I've showed that to both cameras as I have them here in a crossfire, somewhat carefully just that right across the top, and then here, that, let's see. Well, y'all can't really, I need to push this camera down some more. Yeah, let's push this camera down some more. There, now it's on the ground. Okay. Alright, and then, let's see, if I put this camera showing the ground. Let's show the ground more. There we go. Alright. So, okay, so now we got both cameras, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, you got that. On the inside. I didn't bring an SD card out or anything, but there it is. It's like that. Nicely packaged. And so on and so forth. And what else we got? We got, wow, really heavy power cord. Takes a keyhole shaped power cord. Okay. Keyhole shaped power cord. And some cardboard spacer stuff. And a little gel, silica gel package. All right. Yay. And that's it. That's in there. So we'll just take this off. And we'll take that off. And okay, and then I guess we just carefully take the, well, let's see here. Unfold that. Oh, look at that. It's not even taped up or anything. Okay. And it's got a little, it's got a piece of paper covering the switch. I guess they don't want you to, it's got plastic on the handle. I guess I don't want you to. Okay, so this is what in the tape off. So flip it over to radio. It'll do anything. Volume's on there. It's on that. Without reading the instructions, right? Turn that on. Let's see. Still doesn't do anything. Alright, well, got it on auxiliary. That's on radio. It's on AM FM. Okay, well, I came equipped. I'm not going to mess with trying to plug it in and all that. Let's see what's on. Okay, so let's get some batteries. Oh, that's stiff. Oh, that's really stiff. Okay. And these are, probably never seen these before, but these are rechargeable with many, anyway, they're rechargeable. Throw this in like this. There's two. Put another one in here. There's three. Here's that one. This one. That one. I don't want to sell that music, but got tunes.
About that. That's the thing. He hasn't. And
we're doing beer and seltzer right now.
Okay. But I may go get those ingredients so I can, because I really am a big old-fashioned fan. What about you? What are you going to be sipping on?
Well, I think I'm going to go back to Bira. I think I need to drink. I got a lot of different Biras in the fridge, and so I probably need to sip on some beer tonight.
If I could have any beer, I think it would be
New Order Substance right
easy drinking.
I just don't have any. I need to head down there and get some beer to go from those guys.
If you're going to do that, will you pick me up a 4-pack of the Royal Scandal?
Yes, yes, I will. But tonight at 9:30, and I guess the best place to go is Beninskin fans on Facebook. If you're just joining, it'll say, hey, what's your favorite bit or moment or memory in the history of the show? And that's the way you get access to that group. Now,
that should be tape deck. So let's fast forward that a bit. Too bad this doesn't have a music search, but it does play the tape correctly and at the right speed and all that. I'll show you more of this stuff. I don't do that later. Like I said, this is unbox and play. So hit stop, hit play. Let's flip it over so it's on this side real quick. This is the New Order Substance album, so it's pretty long. Alright, well that works for me. Works. It's got an antenna. Nice and smooth, comes out to there. Okay. And great, so now I have a new toy to play with. Now, I don't do all this stuff, but I'll have to learn how to do all that stuff. That's the what is this? The micro SD card or a USB stick. I have both of those, but I don't have any music. But I might have. Well, I'd have to just put some on. I do have some like that, but okay. So I was able to plug it in using my Kent Lee batteries. Boy, that's really stiff. Wow, that's nice. Now these are, anyway, they're just Kent Lee batteries, alright? They're my favorite rechargeables. Okay. Alright, well, I don't know what all you all want to see, but I'll just throw it up here to these people here and let you see this up close real quick. Right, so here it is up close and working. Like I just played it for you. There's that bit there. There's the back of it. Okay. And then that's where the other stuff goes in, and there's the bottom. Who cares? And then lastly, here's the top of it. Okay. Now I'm going to go say the same thing on the other camera. All right. So here's the other camera. And so here's the top of it. All right. There's the top. And it's got. See, I'm using a wide-angle lens, but anyway, there it is. If I hold it steady enough, long enough, you should be able to see it. And then here's the front of it, okay. And here's the, what do we call it? Input end, like that, okay. There's the bottom. Ooh, bottom, okay. And here's the, the tuning end and all the controls for your crap music. Yes, I said crap. I didn't buy this for that. I bought it to play cassettes, but it's nice. So there's the front of it. And I think I showed the top, but I'll show the top again. And lastly, here's the back. Okay, so really can't hurt, but anyway. Hope you like that. I like it. I'm going to go put this all away and got it. Alright, so let me turn this camera off first because it's longer played. Yeah, let me just take it off the thing. Let's see here. Rotate this around. Alright, so there it is. There's my bicycle. Yes, I only have half a foot. But I got 11 minutes on here. Okay, say goodbye. Alright, so, yeah. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Good to go.